Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the 2026 TV antenna, designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with support for smart TVs and resolutions up to 4K. This is a waterproof antenna boasting a remarkable range of over 2,200 miles, making it an attractive solution for anyone looking to cut the cord while maintaining access to local channels. The 2026 TV antenna comes equipped with an upgraded HD antenna system, featuring a built-in smart IC chip and a robust amplifier signal booster. This combination ensures strong signal transmission and helps reduce interference from surrounding electronic devices. Whether you're trying to catch your favorite shows from ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, or Fox, this antenna claims to deliver clear, pixel-free reception for up to 25 channels, all without the burden of a cable subscription. One of the standout features of this antenna is its 360-degree signal reception. This design allows it to capture signals from all directions, providing a stable and reliable viewing experience regardless of where the broadcast tower is located relative to your home. The smart chip and the latest filtering technology enhance the signal capture even further, allowing for high-quality audio, vibrant colors, and smooth refresh rates on compatible TVs. The antenna is versatile when it comes to installation. You can set it up indoors on a window or wall, or take it outdoors for a portable solution in an RV or a tent. The package includes a 36-foot premium coaxial cable, making it easier to place the antenna in an optimal reception spot without worrying about cable length. Its waterproof design ensures that outdoor conditions won't affect performance, so it's suitable for all year-round use. Additionally, this TV antenna is compatible with TV converter boxes and digital TVs, providing access to a wider range of broadcast signals. The advanced design focuses on boosting signal gain, improving range, and enhancing frequency performance to ensure a dependable viewing experience for both standard and high-definition content, including 2K, 4K, and even 8K resolutions is supported by your TV. Overall, the 2026 TV antenna combines a long reception range, a smart amplification system, and flexible installation options, all wrapped up in a stylish cameo pink design. Whether you're looking to replace your cable service, add a backup TV source, or enhance your RV entertainment setup, this antenna promises to deliver a comprehensive, high-quality solution for modern viewing needs. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product analyses.